to make a coffee with a little touch of magic.
Welcome to Honor of Kings. Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. Surprise party
Ng
in the
Dr.
front.
Bian yun.
Move out!
Kaso mahina sa, hindi kaya, mahina sa assassin yun. Kasi makakatlundag-lundag eh. Yung mga ganito yung makukunat, kawawa lahat to, walang gagawin. Basta may healer, madaya.
Choose your favorite birthday cake.
No, galing ah. Okay.
The world is not as harsh as one might think.
I saw someone in that brush.
Saan?
Copy that.
Ako dadala mo para punta tayong gold ah.
Lift your spirit.
May teleport kasi dito yung bilog. Papaudang kita ngayon. Ang dami yung tama sa akin, bilis mag-level. Yung passive nito, madaya ata. Pagka natama ka ng skill, mas bilis yung XP niya eh. Parang Valentino eh. Puro na ako.
Retreat.
Saan ba?
Blood. Oops.
Ay. Wag na. Pumalagpag gago.
Not as harsh as one might think.
Diba? Naglalag lang ako eh.
Choose your favorite birthday cake.
Nandyan ah, tatlo.
An enemy has been slain.
Kaya. Pula ko na to, pasler ko na, punta na ako dyan.
Triple kill.
Lakas. Okay. Gitna na ako na eh. Ditip lang kasi ito rito eh. Gitna, walang mag-ditip.
It's not
Napatay niya
as
eh.
harsh as one might think.
Overlord and tyrants have spawned. Copy that. Tower shields have been shattered. Catapults moving out.
Bigyan ka.
Charge. Shut down.
Likod na. Yung ano, nakipag-switching niya sa akin. Saan?
Faye is for
Dito
people
daw ba?
who would
Retreat
Yung
from the
bigyan,
monster.
ilan to, dalawa?
Assemble. Ultimate not ready yet.
Tapos, itong last. Yung height ko eh.
Slain an enemy. Double kill.
Ito na pupunta.
Is this taste of wine?
An enemy has been slain.
Dinig lang ako kaya Venus eh. Sa blue.
Killing spree.
Gago kalahati sa akin yan. Lang, yung ano, yung lizard. Ay, lizard or gargoyle.
An ally has been slain.
Pero muna natin. Tama na tayo.
Destroyed a turret. Rampage.
Dito sa akin may tulak ako. Kapag kunwari ako lang. Mamatay ako eh. Ulti ko yan. Eh na, sandwich na. Go na to.
It's a dessert that can lift your spirit.
Saan makakita ako? Kung saan kumeme to.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Balik ko dun.
Unstoppable.
Clear ko lang ito, wave. Okay, kung tayo ah. Advance ako ah. Advance ako. Kaya na mag-clear. Sa gitna. Pupunta dyan dalawa ah. Dalawa dyan, tatlo gitna. Ay hindi, isa taas, tatlo gitna, isa baba. Patay dyan isa baba. Dip ko itong gitna.
What keeps you coming back? The dessert?
Your team has destroyed a turret. Legendary. Shut down.
That can lift your spirits.
Dami nagdulod oh. Ayun, nagdulod oh.
Has reclaimed a crucial kill.
Gusto.
Fabulous.
Bumbuka eh. Nahito pa natin na crucial. Pero sino lang patay ko ba? Oo. Nahataw ko. Nagtapo pa. Ito na crucial kill.
You have slain an enemy.
Eh nakakawin.
Slain.
Hindi na uhuli. Ba't gano'n? Ayun naka-purify. Purify yun?
Shut down.
Sa kung sumabit sa bato may iwan. Wala iba yung tigil dito. Hindi ka tulad sa tigil sa atin eh.
Ally
Ang huli kahit ilan eh.
bad.
Ano na eh.
Rampage. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Download pa to.
This cafe is for people who need it.
Pitasin ko na to. Ang tawas yan.
Come again. There's always a dessert that can lift your spirits.
My ultimate is ready. An enemy has been slain.
Ah.
This cafe is for people who need it.
Joke lang. Dami. Tara, dito tayo. Hindi kaya tapusin. Itong hayop na yun eh. Ang ina niyan, blade mill tayo.
What keeps you coming back?
Unat damage ako.
Oh, the sweet moment.
Inang yan mga yan. Kaya naman lang ah.
Nice
Flicker ako,
killing.
flicker ako. Ayun sa likod. Advance ako, advance ako, advance ako. Sige, advance ako.
Legendary.
Wala ko tataka.
Fabulous. Double kill. An enemy has been
Ate, oh.
slain.
Hmm.
Your team has destroyed a
Pasukin,
turret.
pasukin, pasukin. Ilabo,
Ally has
Sige,
been
humpos ka.
slain. Nice killing.
Humpos ka rito, sige.
Ultimate not ready yet. An ally has been slain.
Pagkuri ako gago. Gag.
Victory.
Sa rest day ko na.